As we told you, yoga, one of India's most profound gifts to the world, has seen a remarkable global rise. From the streets of Amsterdam to studios in Tokyo, it continues to inspire millions. Our correspondent Mark Limberg brings us this report from the Netherlands.
Once a sacred practice rooted in Indian tradition, yoga has now become a global phenomenon. From parks in Amsterdam to rooftops in New York, people everywhere and from all walks of life are discovering its power. Once practiced mainly by spiritual seekers and traditional healers in India, yoga has evolved over centuries, crossing borders, cultures and continents. Today, it's embraced by millions around the world, not only just as exercise, but as a way of life. Here at the India House in The Hague, we asked the Indian ambassador Kumar Tuhin how he sees the role of yoga in strengthening the cultural ties between India and the Netherlands.
Yoga serves as a profound cultural bridge, and it furthers understanding and appreciation between two countries. Even though it originated in India many thousands of years ago, but it really belongs to the humanity, and it conveys the message of harmony and peace.
But beyond the global trend, what does yoga actually mean to those who teach it? We asked Dr. Prashant, a yoga instructor based in the capital of the Netherlands, Amsterdam.
Where I grew up, it was natural to practice yoga or have a yoga school. Yoga for me is attaining a greater soul consciousness and living in that consciousness in the physical world. So if I drink water, being aware of me, the soul, while the body is being fed with water or food. So that is a constant attempt to remember and remind myself that, hey, I am the soul occupying this body. Yoga has been really something that was part of India. In the West, yoga became more popular, and then I would definitely also give credit to Prime Minister Modi, who popularized the yoga tradition through the International Yoga Day.
As yoga continues to unite people across cultures and continents, here is a message from the Netherlands for those celebrating this International Yoga Day.
Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukh bhag bhavet.
Sabhi janon ko namaskar. Namaste.
Mark Limberg reporting for DD India from the Netherlands.